Rais wa nthiguru ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto na akinyite kiri kigomano kia NTHUKI MBITHI na Rita Youth Connect Africa kira kiri ndene ya nyumba ya mitemano ya KICC ya kere Rais Ruto na ugite bageta na mbere kugwatira na gukira NTHUKI MBITHI nontu nibo kinya bagwatirite mugongo akiuga nibo bagateithia kureta Kenya urumwe na kureta amwe nthiguru cia Africa.
On sustainable peace, security and reconciliation, a peaceful and secure Africa is a prerequisite for the realization of sustainable development as outlined under the Global Sustainable Development Goals, and specifically SDG number 16, one that seeks to promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels, calls for governments to empower the youth to become ambassadors of peace, cohesion, reconciliation, fostering dialogue, promoting tolerance, and building bridges of understanding across borders. I believe this change is coming because the old Africa, the one that was defined and defined itself by challenges, the one that glorified its problems and sought external solutions, that Africa is fading away. I wish to thank the Republic of Rwanda and my brother, President Paul Kagame, for conceiving the Youth Connect platform and for hosting 4 of the 5 editions of the summit. I echo the words of my brother, President Kagame, during the 5th edition in Kigali in October last year. The youth of Africa are the leaders of today, he said. They are the driving force behind our continent's transformation, the innovators who are reimagining our industries, the entrepreneurs who are creating jobs, and the activists who are advocating for a better future. End of quote.